Want to speak real Urdu from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at urdupod101.com.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मेरा नाम अफरा है। आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Hi, my name is Afra. Nice to meet you. Welcome to urdupod101.com's 3 minute में Urdu, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Urdu. In this series, you are going to learn basic Urdu expressions. It's super easy and it only takes 3 minutes. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Urdu. There are only 2 sentences you need to know. Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है। आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Hi, my name is Afra. Nice to meet you. Start by saying Assalamu alaikum. Then say मेरा नाम, then your name, and then say है. Please repeat after me. Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम, your name, है. Finally, say आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Together we have Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम अफरा है. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Let's take a closer look at the first sentence. First is the phrase Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum in Urdu is equivalent to hello. Next is mera, meaning my. This is a way to refer to yourself which can be used by both men and women. Next we have naam, meaning name. Then you say your name, and finally we have hai. Hai is attached to the end of the sentence and literally means to exist. In the first sentence, we have the construction mera plus naam plus your name plus hai. The structure of simple Urdu sentences is different from English. In Urdu, the word order is subject, object, verb. The second sentence we have is आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई can be used by both men and women. It means nice to meet you. It is used when meeting someone for the first time. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Again, all together it is अस्सलामु अलैकुम. मेरा नाम अफरा है. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Now it's time for Afra's advice. Pakistani people do generally shake hands with people of the same gender and often hug them as well. If you're unsure, just say Assalamu alaikum and shake hands with people of the same gender as you. However, in a business situation or with people from the opposite gender, you might refrain from shaking hands.
हेलो, आपका नाम क्या है?
हेलो, मेरा नाम अली है और आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम आशा है।
आशा जी, आपका नाम अच्छा है।
आपका शुक्रिया। कमाल जी, आप कैसे हैं?
ओह माहिमा, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ और आप कैसी हैं?
मैं भी अच्छी हूँ, आपका शुक्रिया।
आपका बेटा कैसा है?
वो बहुत अच्छा है, आपका शुक्रिया।
आपके पास कितनी बिल्लियाँ हैं?
मेरे पास एक बिल्ली है।
और कितने कुत्ते?
2। मकान नंबर 20 कहाँ है?
वो यहाँ से थोड़ा दूर है।
क्या बस वहाँ जाएगी?
जी हाँ, बराहे मेहरबानी बस नंबर 12 लीजिए।
आपकी उम्र क्या है?
मैं 30 साल का हूँ।
आपके कितने बच्चे हैं?
मेरे कोई बच्चे नहीं हैं।
In the last lesson, you learned how to make plans in Urdu. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the verb to be, hona. You will also learn how to ask the question, where are you from, and how to answer it with your nationality. When you meet a new person in Pakistan, they might ask you, aap kahan se hain? This means, where are you from? Aap kahan se hain? Let's break it down. You should be familiar with aap the formal word for you. The next word, kahan, is the question word where. Then comes se, meaning from, and finally, hai is the conjugated form of the verb to be, hona, that is used with the pronoun aap. It is similar to the English are. Once again, it is aap kahan se hain? This question can be used when speaking to both men and women because the verb to be, who, is the same for any gender. Answering this question is very easy. Just say main, then your country name, and then say who. For example, मैं रूस से हूँ. मैं रूस से हूँ. This means I'm from Russia. If you're not from Russia, then just replace Rus with your own country. मैं जापान से हूँ means I am from Japan. मैं अमेरिका से हूँ means I am from America. मैं चीन से हूँ means I am from China. You can also answer the question, where are you from, by saying your nationality instead of which country you are from. The pattern is मैं, your nationality, हूँ. Remembering the vocabulary for most nationalities is very easy. Just add the sound E to the end of the name of a country. Be careful though, because the rule does not hold true for all countries. Let's take a look at some examples. If you are Japanese, you will say मैं जापानी हूँ. If you are Chinese, you will say मैं चीनी हूँ. If you are German, however, then the pattern would be different. You need to remove the Y at the end of the name Germany, so it will be मैं जर्मन हूँ. To return the question, you can simply say और आप, which is and you, in a polite way, or आप. Now it's time for Afra's advice. Islamic Republic of Pakistan is the Pakistan's official name, but people normally use just Pakistan. The name Pakistan has its roots in the religion Islam. Pakistan literally means clean land. Let's start with a greeting you are sure to have heard before. Assalamu alaikum. This is a phrase that is so closely associated with Pakistan and Islamic culture that it has become famous all over the world. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. The phrase Assalamu alaikum is actually Arabic for peace be on you. We use it as a formal as well as a friendly greeting. It's used when people meet at any time of the day, morning, noon, or evening. Use this and you will surely impress your Pakistani friends. In Urdu, using different greetings for each time of the day is not very common. When talking to friends, we usually just use the English phrases, but there are equivalent Urdu versions. They are just not used that often. If you meet someone before noon, you can say Subha bakhair. Subha bakhair. For later in the day, you can say Sham bakhair. Sham bakhair. But most of the time, you can just say Assalamu alaikum and not worry about it. Now let's move on to the expressions we use for saying goodbye in Urdu. A parting expression that we can use for all occasions is phir milenge, which means see you. Phir milenge. Phir milenge. The first word phir means again, and the second word milenge means we will meet. Let's look at one more expression. Alvida. Alvida is an Urdu word which means farewell. Alvida. Alvida. It is an appropriate choice when parting for a long time or forever. Now it's time for Afra's advice. As we learned in this lesson, Assalamu alaikum can be used at any time of the day. But this all-around greeting is not just for saying hello, but for saying goodbye as well. It really is a very useful phrase and you should remember it by heart.